Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelly. Hi if you're new. Today I'm really excited to be sharing with you guys a summer pack with me for my beach vacation. I am traveling for about a week and I am definitely an overpacker, but the catch is I always pack in just a carry-on. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to let me know in the comments down below what you have planned for this summer. Where's your dream travel destination? Let me know. I do read and respond back to every single comment and I love being able to chit chat with you guys, but we're just gonna get started. I'm gonna try my best to share where everything is from because every time I film these you're like, where's this outfit from? So if I don't mention it, ask in the comments because I will be sure to let you know. I do read all the comments. I love being able to get back to you guys. Sometimes it's just a little hard to remember on the spot, but I'm really excited for this video. I will share the deets on my luggage and all my packing materials. So again, I hope you guys enjoy this video and we're just gonna get right into it. Before we get started, I just wanted to share a quick little OOTD. As you guys can see, my room is a mess from packing. This dress was in yesterday's video, insert a card, but it's from Harlara. I am completely obsessed. It's like one of those workout dresses, so it has like the shorts underneath, a built-in sports bra, and then I just have on my Daniel Wellington watch and this really cute beaded bracelet, and I also have on my Lily Pulitzer inspired scrunchie, which my Etsy site is going to be opening back up on the 26th of June. I'm seriously so excited, so mark your calendars. It's going to be so much fun. But as you guys can see, my room is a mess. I am planning on doing a room tour when I get back to show you guys my room, but you guys might see a little glimpse of it just with how messy it is right now. I'm seriously so excited, but if you guys want to see a room tour video, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. But I'm going to show you guys how I have it organized right now. So I just kind of lay everything on my bed. I pulled this out of my closet, planned out outfits, and also just like kind of dresses that I want to get pictures of for sponsorships. I have my new packing cubes, my suitcase, and all my shoes. Again, definitely an overpacker, but I'm one of those people, like, I love wearing outfits. I get so excited about making outfits and stuff that it's just so much fun in a new scenery, so why not? Will be my airport outfit. It's like long beach joggers and a white tank top. I have a pile of swimsuits. I have some face masks, my purse that I like to travel with because it's tiny, it's not like expensive or anything, some hats, shorts, t-shirts, tank tops that match the shorts, and then some dresses, my pool cover up, my little Vineyard Vines outfit that I'm planning on styling, and two-piece sets. And then over here I have these new packing cubes, which these are from Travel Designs. I'm completely obsessed with them. I will have them linked down below in case you want to check them out. But they sent me this super cute little catch-all bag, which I'm going to put all my swimsuits in. This is a little like plasticky bag. I was thinking originally I was going to put my makeup in it, but I am going to be using a different bag for my makeup, which I'm going to be sharing tomorrow. So I think this is just going to have like t-shirts rolled up in it. And then this is my favorite little guy. I got this last year. All their stuff has the cutest bamboo detailing in it, but I always put all my jewelry in here and technical stuff. And then I have a bunch of shoes. But this is my suitcase. I bought this at TJ Maxx years ago. It's a Vince Camuno luggage. I love it. It's a small carry-on. I like that it's like a hard shell so it doesn't get beat up. It has this little zipper compartment and then this just buckles. I have so much dirt in here. I need to clean this honestly, but I'm really excited. This is the little makeup bag that you guys will see in tomorrow's video that I put all my makeup in. That's what I'm bringing on vacation. And before I get packing it all up, I'm just going to give you guys a little rundown of everything that I'm bringing. So this is going to be the lengthy part of this video just because it is all the fashion details. My airport outfit are these J. Crew joggers. You'll see them, I guess, and then this Lily Pulitzer tank top, super cute. My masks are from Etsy. This purse is from Just Fab. This is a little Nike hat and a beach hat. My swimsuits, oh my goodness, I feel like I just need to do a bikini haul, but this is from Cupshe. This is from Shein, Cupshe, Aerie, Shein, and I just got this one at Walmart and completely obsessed with it. Then these two-piece sets are both from Shein. I have this navy J. Crew top with this really cute Vineyard Vines bottom, so I think that'll be like a fun date night outfit. I have this cover up from Target. These two pieces are from Sailor along with this dress. I have a Lily dress. Then I have a stack of t-shirts, and I'm bringing this tank top from Marley Lily, this Lily Pulitzer tube top, another beach shirt, a beach shirt, and then my United Monograms crew neck just in case I get chilly in the condo or on the plane. And then I have a pair of Nike athletic shorts, some J. Crew chinos, and a pair of denim shorts. And then as for shoes, I have these two pairs of Jacks. These are from Shein. My Adidas slides, these are from like the little kid section, and then my Just Fab shoes. So that is where everything is from. We are gonna get packing and I'm seriously so excited. Alright you guys, so that is everything that I am packing clothing wise on my beach vacation. I hope you guys found this video helpful. It's how I pack a week's worth plus of outfits in a carry-on. There's probably so many more outfits in here that I'm going to wear, but it's just helpful, especially as a fashion blogger slash creator, to bring extra outfits because that is what I get to do. So again, extra than I guess the normal person for a 7-day vacation, but I have so much fun and I'm so happy and grateful that I can make it all fit into a carry-on. So in case you guys are curious, because I mentioned how I'm uploading my makeup travel bag tomorrow, that is definitely going up, so be sure to hit the subscribe button so you can get notified when that goes up. But I do put that bag and like my laptop and camera equipment into my backpack because I am allowed to have one personal item, which can be a backpack, so I have a little bit extra space, which is always so helpful. So that is why it's not in my suitcase, but that is how I pack it up. I hope this video was fun to watch. If you guys have any questions or just wanted to chat, let me know in the comments down below because I love being able to chat with you. I do read and respond back to every single video. I hope you're having a great day and I'll see you guys back here tomorrow with my makeup bag.